potential big money. And that is the case. Anytime you roll out a 69 Camaro and include that 4-letter word COPO, which is actually an abbreviation for Central Office Production Order.
Well, we know we're going to see north of 100 as we're just there right now. So this was the backdoor route to be able to get an engine, powertrain, and some other goodies that were simply not available as an RPO, a regular production option. L72, 427, 425 horsepower, 4-speed, big 12-bore rear end, 410 gears, and that's Daytona Yellow with a white interior. Very cool and unusual combination. Rally wheels with those bias ply Goodyear Wide Tread tires, giving it that, once again, that period look.
Yeah, these cars trophied just uncountable times in the NHRA. Ace stock automatic. A fellow by the name of Kevin Helms, a multi-time champion in the NHRA, racing his Camaro is very similar to this one. And that's what they were designed for.
Well, 130 nets you 117. Yeah, I'll just do that because he ain't going anymore. Stretch here, yeah. 117. Yeah. Yep.
All right, Frank Mecum working with the consignor. Thumb in the air means reserve is off. We're at $117,500. Where will it end?
Where would you have guessed it, JK? 110, 100?
I would have thought 120, 125 anyway, so a little light, but that's okay. Consignor certainly was fine with letting it go, and I think that new owner is going to be happy with that one.
Front suspension and rear air ride suspension. No reserve.